Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Life Captured. So we are back after a very long time because we are very busy with our college schedules, and we have recently said in our live why we haven't been active all these days.
But we are back today with an interesting video which I'm pretty sure you all will love a lot.
Yes.
And this is one of the most recommended videos, or you can say requested videos. So today's video is going to be a travel vlog. So obviously we did the travel before all this pandemic and everything happened. It was in the start of 2020.
Yes. So
January.
we started our 2020 with a very good bang.
So if you want to know how we planned and traveled to different places in Mysore and Coorg all by ourselves, and it wasn't any pre-planning and we didn't go through any agency, we went all by ourselves. So if you want to know all that, then do watch the video till the end.
Yeah. And I'm sure you will love this video.
This was a pre-planned vlog, so we don't have much videos
Yes.
or photos. We just have whatever we took. So we are going to show you all those today. And the best part is that this was an only
Cousins trip.
Yeah, only cousins or kids trip without any parents or all those big
Elderly people controlling us, managing us.
Yeah,
So all those things were not there when we traveled. So
it took us some convincing, to convince our parents, because it was like more girls
first
and
time,
less boys.
Yeah, 3 girls and one
One
boy.
3 girls and 1 boy. I feel sad for my brother. But it's fine. They call me the boy of the house, so
Yes.
I gave him a lot of company.
Yeah.
We planned
this for our Sankranti holidays in January. So it is a 3 days trip, and we, myself and Alekia, we traveled to Hyderabad, and from there we started our trip. So now we will be telling you how we started and how everything happened in the whole trip, so that it will be helpful for you guys when you want to go for a trip to Mysore and Coorg.
Yeah, so let's all just go into the details while showing you what we did there. So first, let's get into the video. So first I went to Hyderabad. I alone, like I went with my friends. I enjoyed with them for like a few days.
I traveled from Vijayawada to Hyderabad alone. On that day, what did we do?
We just slept.
We slept. Yeah, after going there, we slept.
Yeah, we didn't do anything. But the next day morning, we went and watched a movie.
Yes.
We went and watched Ala Vaikuntapuramlo. We didn't get tickets. We had to go and watch early morning show.
Early morning show, really, yes. Look at me, I ate so much, like you can see the photos.
She didn't eat it alone, obviously. We took like 1 or 2 plates and we all shared it, all 4 of us. So it was a cousin and all of us, and we enjoyed there. We ate. After eating so much, you need to do something to digest all those things, right? Yeah. So what we did was we went to see a few places in Hyderabad. I know we stayed in Hyderabad and we are from Andhra, but we never saw
Charminar. Just think of that.
We never saw
Charminar, yeah.
Like-
So that day we went to Charminar in the evening. We did shopping over there and clicked so many photos.
Yeah, you get things for cheap over there, you know.
The bangles, the bangles
Yeah,
are very famous over there. If you go there, you must buy bangles.
After that, next day,
Next day,
we again went for a movie.
Yeah, we again went for a movie. So this one was Sarileru Meekevaru.
And we did all the packing and everything. And on that day night, we had a bus from Hyderabad to Mysore.
So to the bus stop, one of my cousins came there to visit us again. We had a small chat with him, and then after that we boarded our bus.
And from here,
Our trip started.
Yes, so our trip started in the bus only. You know, we were all so excited.
Excited. We were not able to sleep. You can see three of us sat on the same
Beds.
we were planning like where to go, what are places that we can cover in one
For
day.
now, we just had our hotel room.
Yes.
Nothing else.
Nothing.
So we reached Mysore. We went to our rooms.
Hotel room.
My brother actually he studies in Chennai.
Chennai, yeah.
So he came directly from Chennai to Mysore. As soon as we went to our room, we settled in.
Yes. After that, we got ready and we were so excited
We were
to
like,
start our
"Chalo,
day. Yeah.
let's go."
Let's go.
So first place we went was the Mysore Palace. The most famous
Famous,
palace.
yes.
If you go to Mysore and if you don't visit Mysore Palace, why are you even going to Mysore? You get my point?
We clicked so many photos over there, so you can see right there. And
Yeah, we did like photo shoot in front of everything.
like literally.
That's how we have content for this video, or else
Yeah.
we wouldn't have had any content.
We went inside, and inside of the palace, there it looks so beautiful.
Actually,
The paintings,
Yeah,
the
it's like-
color combinations.
It's
and-
like the heritage is maintained. It is well maintained. They don't let you wear your slippers inside.
Yes, yeah, they don't. So you can also use these photos for idea for yourself to click in the same way. So our next stop was St. Cathedral's Church. So we traveled from Palace to here in an auto.
So we went to the church. It is one of the famous churches there.
Yeah,
and
it,
let me tell
it,
you,
like it looks so beautiful.
it's
Oh
one
my
of the
God.
beautiful churches that I went to.
We went inside, but we were not allowed to click pictures.
Yeah.
So we did not, but we are we are showing you the pictures that we took when we went last time. So next from there we went to Sand Museum by cab. Yeah, we booked a cab.
Yeah.
Even the Sand Museum we were so surprised to see all those sculptures over there that were made with sand. We were so amazed. It was so beautiful over there. You can see the pictures.
Actually, we didn't expect all those things from a sand museum.
Yeah.
But we went there and it looked really
Very
beautiful,
beautiful.
amazing. All the sculptures were like perfect, and they even had a meaning to it. We literally places got over so fast. We were like, they're getting over. What are we supposed to do now? What are we supposed to do now? Where else can we go? We can't just waste our time in our room. So that was a condition. So it was lunchtime by then.
For lunch, we went to Mysore Mall. So over there,
Some normal, we went to the food court and we had the normal lunch and over.
So after that, this place was very good to spend time with your family or something.
Mainly, kids, teenagers,
Yeah.
we enjoyed a lot.
So yes, we went to Karanji Lake. So
Well, the
beautiful.
lake is surrounded by a big park.
Park.
A
Yes.
very big park. And
So first we rented cycles. We went riding. We were riding
we
cycles.
explored parts of the park which we were not supposed to go to. It's like we go till the entrance and
Yeah.
everything is closed.
Closed.
So we have to come
Come
back.
back.
There were places where it was like steep and everything. It was super difficult for us to ride our cycles there.
So yeah, after that, in between we saw this huge thing where we can-
Tower kind of thing.
Yeah, where we climbed to the other side of the the tower. There was this lake, so we clicked pictures. It was
On top of
on
the
top
tower.
of the tower.
So you can like see trees and a small lake kind of thing. We walked again and went back to the boating area.
Boating area, yeah. Over there we did boating for maybe 15 minutes, I guess.
I don't really remember, but we did boating, but it was like self boating.
You
The
have to
cycle
pedal.
type?
Pedal.
Yeah. Pedal
Pedaling.
cycle type of boating. So me and Teja went in one boat. She and my brother went in
Because
one boat.
I was so scared. I didn't want to go with these idiots, so I went with him so that I will feel safe.
We literally did less boating, more
Photo shoot, yes. You can also see there was this beautiful rainbow because of that fountain and the sun.
Yeah, fountain and sun. There was a rainbow. I clicked an amazing picture of her and Yashwant. You know.
Then we came back to our room.
We took some rest.
Rest.
So we went to Vrindavan Gardens.
But we had to walk so much inside, but you know, it wasn't that worth
it wasn't
spending that
worth
much and so much of time. Like personally, we did not like this one
I
because
don't know why. Maybe because it was like
very dark by the time we reached.
dark and very crowded.
Very
and
crowded. Oh my god, it's like someone had to hold my hand the whole time.
so that she doesn't get lost.
Lost, yeah.
And we went back to our room and
We slept.
so our day 2 and 3 is going to be in Coorg. So we booked a cab from our hotel to the camping area. We booked it for 2 days.
So as soon as we reached there, we started exploring all the things that are over there, and you know, the first thing that we did was we went on a trampoline, and
There were 3 big
trampolines over there. So each of us, we jumped on it so high and clicked so many pictures, so many
We
beautiful
had
pictures.
so many bad pictures also, falling here,
Yeah, falling
there.
there.
It
It
was
was
fun.
way too fun over there.
And then they showed us our places where we're going to stay. So it was a normal place.
Yeah.
It was an open area. So there were these
Small sheds over there.
Yeah.
So inside that, they gave us few tents for
2 people,
one tent.
So on day 1 they gave us a tour. So there was this place for staying, and there were separate washrooms in the back,
Yeah.
and there was this playing area, indoor games, and they had outdoor games.
The only thing that we didn't have was Wi-Fi or the data.
Yeah.
So
you
it
get
was
0 signals there.
yeah, no signals. But the thing is that even though we didn't have signals, we somehow managed to maintain a streak on Snapchat.
Yeah,
Like,
so
we
if you
did
use
so
Snap-
many things like this, like that. We went to all the places so that we can get at least 1 point signal.
So we can, send a picture on Snapchat and we'll maintain our streak. So we had our lunch in the camp, and the lunch was really tasty.
Yes. It was, all the veg and non-vegetarians, both of them can have a very delicious and a tasty food.
Yeah. So after our lunch, we were supposed to go for trekking, off-road ride, and waterfalls. So there were 2 batches. So in the first batch, my sister and Teja went.
Yeah. So in the second batch, she and Ashwant went. So even the ride was super fun.
It's some big jeeps.
Big jeep, yeah. It was filled with people, and the road was very, very rocky, and it wasn't
Yeah, it was a
smooth.
mountain area,
Yeah, it was
so-
a mountain area. So you can just think it was like a safari.
So over there, we met 2 Andhra people.
We spent our time with them.
More.
More.
We connected more because they were also of our age group.
Yes.
And they were really fun people, so we enjoyed a lot. So even for the waterfalls and trekking and everything, we went with them.
Yeah.
Me and my brother were separate because we were in a different batch. But
So yeah,
they went
first we reached. So after going there, we had to trek to the waterfalls. So on the way, we clicked so many beautiful pictures. Again, the view was so good. I just can't, I just can't tell you guys. I'm so happy remembering all those memories that we had spent.
She is super
earlier.
happy that she got so many pictures.
Yeah, that is also one of the things. So after going there, the main thing started. Like, I
So
was
there was
so
normal-
scared.
It was normally like a lazy river,
Yeah.
but if you want to feel the waterfall experience, you had to. There was a rope, So you had to get down using the rope.
Yeah.
To be honest, I was super scared. to
Even
get
I
down.
was very scared. Like I didn't know what to do. I just hold the rope.
She slipped down.
Yeah, I
she
just
came
slided
very
down
easily.
I came down very easily. So firstly,
It was so cold.
I did not go inside. Like inside, I was just in the corner thing.
Yeah, because it was actually very,
deep. Yeah, it was very deep for my height. So later on, as I mentioned, those two friends helped me to go there. So with
So
their
we
help,
all, 6 of us,
yeah,
all six of us enjoyed there,
There.
in the water. It was
Water.
nice, and we had fun there.
Fun.
And we went and stood under the waterfall. God, it hit us with so much force.
Yeah, I
so
did.
much force. And we didn't even stay much time there because it was very deep, to be honest, and we were literally scared what if we slip and we fall. And it was not that safe also. It was like some undiscovered part of a
Forest, yeah.
which campers take you to experience better. So it was nice there.
Yeah, we went back to our camps, and after going there, we again had so much fun. Yeah,
Yeah,
as
so
soon
we
as we
freshed
went,
up.
yeah, we got freshed up, and so we had time to chill. There were these nets, the top, like.
So it was like, I don't know how to explain this, but you can see the pictures. So there was this net kind of thing where you can see friendship and everything. So we climbed up and we took so many pictures. We sat on the net and it was like staring at the sky. It was a nice climate and it was cool. So we were just chilling there, slept on the net, staring at the sky, talking and taking pictures. It was really nice.
So there was this campfire, and during the campfire we had our snacks. So after the snacks and the campfire, we went back to our tents, and there was this a section where we could play
Games.
yeah,
Indoor games.
There was this TT and
Table
caroms.
tennis,
Caroms and-
so we played that.
Yeah, there was even cricket.
Yeah. Some people even
Played cricket.
They even had a speaker there, so they gave it to whoever wanted. So it's like we took the speaker and then we played songs from our mobile. So it was so nice.
Yes. So after that, they called us for our dinner, and then we had our dinner. Even the dinner was very tasty.
After dinner, we actually found this group of Tamil people.
Who are also studying. Few of them were studying. Few
No,
of them
yeah,
were working.
studying and working.
Working. So we all together played cards.
Yeah.
Somehow we won the game.
We
finally.
won. So yeah, we did a lot of tricks and magics and that and this, and we won. It was super fun, and we had a lot of fun
Yeah.
that night.
So here comes to day 3. We played games. So the first, it was way too very good actually.
We had to go barefoot.
Yeah.
You can see the pictures, right? It hurt so much, but we enjoyed so much.
Yeah, first game that we played was gun shooting. Okay, yeah. So after that, we had this small games kind of a thing that
Yeah.
where you can see
There were roads and
Roads.
everything.
the tires where we have to travel, from starting to the ending.
I came till the end. My brother also came till the end. These two were stuck in between.
Yeah,
She and
I
Teja.
skipped the last part. You can see Teja struggling there, to get, to complete, not complete the thing, or at least to get done. She was-
Get down. She was like, "Help me get down from
Yeah.
this."
She literally, she was about to cry in the end, so we had to stop the video and help her to get down. So after that, we took some rest and then packed all our luggage back. So after that, we started from Coorg to Mysore.
So we had some time in between, and the driver who came with us, he told us that there's a place called Raja Seat.
On the way while going back to Mysore. Really, this is a viewpoint actually.
Yeah, it's a viewpoint. It was super beautiful.
Super.
And there, actually, we bought some Mysore local made chocolates.
Handmade, like homemade.
And then we went back to Mysore.
So yeah, from there we went to a mall again to have our lunch. So from there we went to the place where
We had to board our bus.
board our bus. This is how our trip ended, and it was really very good sharing all our experiences and memories with you all.
It was, to be honest, the trip was super fun, and we can't wait to, for all this to get over and go for another trip.
We the one adventure that we missed in Coorg is the river rafting. I wanted to do it so badly, but then we were not able to do it because of the climate conditions over there.
They said it was available only in summer.
Yeah.
So if you know any other beautiful places that we can visit to, and if you've already seen them or if you want to visit them in future, then do tell us in the comment section below. We will obviously plan for a trip like that because we all are travel enthusiasts. And if you like this video, don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.